Welcome to Steven Camputo Academy. Today, we're going to talk still on Microsoft Word. We've been able to handle most of the part on clipboard. And also, today, I want to go to the paragraph element. Okay? Talking about paragraph element, if you remember, we've told you can actually select a paragraph. For example, just three times clicking, and it will select as a paragraph. So, so after explaining that, we now want to move ahead and show you what you can do with paragraph. Here with me is a paragraph. Let's say I want to select this paragraph. So after selecting this paragraph, just click it three times and select all of them at once. Let's say you want to change the font, which explain that. You want to change the size, we explain that. But what if I want this paragraph to be in uppercase? Remember, if you turn it to uppercase, you can also turn it to lowercase. So same process apply. How do I get that? Just come over here, email after your font. So you also enable to increase your font size and decrease your font size. Even after that, you check here. You see there is a drop down menu there. Click on it. That's capital letter A and small letter. What do you see there? You see sentence case or lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and juggle case. So this is where you achieve all of this. Okay. Let's say for instance I want to capitalize each word. What will I do? Just come over here and click on capitalize each word. You see it? Now what if I've done after doing all this, after that, I didn't like what I did. I want to go back. Yeah, of course, you can make use of your redo and undo, but there's still other features, and that's the beauty of Microsoft Word. It gives you so many features that you can, in fact, anything you want to. If you know it very well, it becomes easy for you. If you know after the uppercase and lowercase, the next one here, what do you see there? Say clear all formatting. That formatting is going to clear everything. This one will clear all. Right? The other one, which is your undo, you only undo the first what you just did now, is what you will undo. You click it on it undo what you did before then. But this one is to clear all. Click on it and you see it, it will clear everything. So that indentation and the rest of them capitalization is gone. It's gone for good. That's work of this. Now, what if I want to put these things on the bullet point? As a teacher or a student, a researcher, sometimes you want to put your work at the bullet point. How do you achieve that? Yeah, very simple. For the let's say you want to start from here, say this course will take you from beginner to before we start to let's want to start bullet point from here. What do? Bring your mouse to it, click on it, then go up. Many after that removal of everything that you're formatting, the next one you see bullet points. Here, if you click on it, it will show you all the bullet points for you to select from. A whole lot. Though the interface might be different. Mine is like well arranged, right? Yours may not be there, maybe below it or above, but just look around it, you will see what I'm talking about. So what you need to understand is the sign. Once you know that this is a bullet point, it's a sign. So you see, so you can choose any of these points. Whether I want to use good, I want to use this, or you want anyone you want to use, you can actually choose any of them. Let's say you want to use this one, I click on it, bam. See it, it bring it down. Now, immediately you select this. If I now come to this tool, I want this tool to also have a bullet point, what do I do? Press enter. Then you type the type. Once you press enter, it will turn to a bullet point. For example, this another two again, you press enter. So the moment you press enter, it turns to a bullet point. And what you want this bullet point to end here. And now I finish typing, I want to press enter. What will happen? Let's see. I press enter, this bullet point comes up. It could be number, it could be alphabet. Let me just finish with all of them. It could be number like 1, 2, 3. It could be alphanumeral like I. It could be ABC. So don't just like it's just bullet points. Okay, you can use any of them. You can use any of them depending on what you want to do. Okay, and the same rules applies for all of them. So let's say I want to clear this now. I want to clear it. I have done my bullet point. I want to start another fresh note. I don't have bullet point. Immediately you press enter and you show the bullet point. Just use your backspace. Click on backspace once. It's clear. It's gone. You click it twice. Go to the next one. Now, if I press enter again, I won't see anything like bullet point again. Look at it. No more bullet points. So this is how you can stop using bullet points once you're through with using bullet points. Be it bullet points, be it numbers, be it alphanumeric, be it Roman numerals, A, B, C, or anything that you want to use. Okay? Now, let's see, continue our work. What about this? Let's say this test, maybe this particular sign up. I want this to be, maybe I want to give me a title, and then how do you select it? As usual, just double click and select it. Or it won't select because it's already there is. Okay, I will also show you this, but not now. How you can actually turn any of these ways to become like a link. It's like a link. That's why it's not trying to click for now. I know. Look at it as click. because I use another method to click it. So once it's clicked like this, I want to make this the title. Okay, what you do, come over here to title, look at the title, and like I explained to you, select the one that you like, any of them, the heading, or if not, is the title you're looking at, you use the title. Let's say I want to use this title, I made it the title, and I want it to appear at the center. What do I do? You come over to the center, click on it, it goes to the center. Okay, so you can actually take it to anywhere. Then what if I want to create a tab on this? If you want to make sure that this thing, if you press a tab like this one, I press a tab, it goes in one way, it goes another way. How do you use tab? Of course, mine may not show it now. I don't know what's wrong with it, but in my Microsoft Advanced level, everything is there. If you want that class, let me also show you. But I will explain what you can do. Okay, just go to Insert. From Insert, you look for where there is a ruler. You see a ruler. Click on the ruler. Which are this ruler? The LI is here. L stand for left. Okay, the left side. So click on it. Then you come over here. Click on the first tab. Draw it. Go to the 01. Click on the second tab. If you don't want the tab, maybe you don't want anymore, you can also click on it and then drag it out. Okay, so that's how you put tab on wherever you are right. Then what if maybe this text was actually on a paragraph? Let's go back to our home page. Let's go back to our home page. This way we're working at paragraph. Okay, a paragraph contains all of these up to style, up to style restore. So what other things you want to do? Still not cover. Okay, border. I can actually make this, create a border of this. For example, if I select all of this, let me say I select all, or let me just select everything. Control A for all. You use Control A, lest I forget, use Control A to select everything. Let's have selected all. I want to give them a space. I can either give them a, if you click here, to show you all the space you can give. Or sometimes you can give a double space, maybe you want a double space or a single line space. You can choose all of them there, or you toggle. Remember I told you about toggling? That in each of them there's always a place for you to go. When you toggle, you can be able to see many of these things out and make use of them. Okay, don't forget that toggling is there for you. Toggle all this, then choose whatever you want to do and to also apply. Okay, so when you toggle, you go to double, you see double, you see all the space that you want, you choose the one that you want to apply to that place. Also in the area of heading, you can also toggle it just what I thought. This is the one I showed. Remember our day class, the first day, show you how you can actually bring out all these other things created in MS Word. So from there you can now search and make it either single line or double line. Or you can also come over to this place immediately, click on it, and then make your own selection. Okay. Or you go to line spacing option, you have a lot of options for there, and then you now choose all the options, whether it's double, for example, you want it to be double, or you want it to be single, or you want it to be left, left, line right, any stuff, so anything you can think of. The moment you open this toggle, you now check on it and then choose the one that repeats what you want to do. They are all there for you in Microsoft Word. Okay. Now let's talk about border. Let's say I want to give this a border. Selected it, come over to border. You can actually give it a color as well. You can actually decide to color this theme color. Call it theme color. You can give me a theme color of my choice. You can also give me a border. Yes, why I can give me a border like bottom border, top border, right border, left border, anything you can think of. Horizontal line, draw table, whatever. But now, let's not go to tables. Our next class will be on table. So this is also there for you to make good use of. Okay, you have so many things that you can make use of. So at least after we can go on this particular topic, try your best to take a look at every other thing here and try as best as you can to see if you can work with some of them. In our next class, we'll go to table with Microsoft Word. Thank you so much. If you like what we are discussing, give me a thumbs up, like this video, invite more people to come and learn it because it's going to, the goal is to help as many people as we can become tech enthusiasts and also master technology to their own advantage. See you in our subsequent